In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Online in just a couple of simple steps. Whether you've made an error or simply need to remove a deposit for some cleanup, this guide will help you navigate the process seamlessly. First things first, let's get started by navigating to where we need to be. Begin by looking at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface, where you'll find the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to many of the settings and functions you'll need, so it's worth getting familiar with. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you've clicked the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a list of all your accounts present in QuickBooks. It acts as the backbone of your company file, organizing and managing your financial information. Once you're into the Chart of Accounts, the next step is to locate the specific account where the deposit you're trying to delete was originally made. It's key to select the exact account because that's where your transaction history is stored. Click on that account, and then you should see an option labeled View Register. Select that. As you click View Register, you'll be taken to a more detailed record of all transactions associated with that particular account. Think of it as flipping through a digital ledger. Now, what you'll want to do is carefully review the list to find the deposit that you wish to delete. To ensure accuracy, double-check the date and amount if necessary, so that you don't accidentally delete the wrong entry. Once you've spotted the deposit in question, go ahead and click on it. This will bring you into the transaction details. You'll usually get a quick summary that confirms this is indeed the transaction you're looking to remove. After you're sure and double-checking everything looks right, look for the Delete option. It's typically found directly within the transaction window. Click on Delete, and QuickBooks will prompt you with a message asking whether you're sure about this action. It's always a good idea to make sure one last time, as deleting a financial entry cannot be undone without re-entering the data. But once you're set on your decision, confirm the Delete action, and QuickBooks will remove the deposit from the account's record. And there you have it. You've just successfully deleted a deposit in QuickBooks Online. This simple process can help you keep your accounts clean and accurate, which is essential for good financial management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.